What is going on?
I didn't even do nothing. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. What are you doing? All I did was scream. I didn't even do nothing. Wait, bro, hold on.
Sir, do not put your head, sir. Wow. Do not get out of the car. Why are you attacking me? I gotta get out of the car. Bro, do not touch me.
What's up, guys? Squink here, back with another video. I used to be a cop, and I'm not anymore, and that's okay. But now I'm doing these videos where I walk in blindly to a video every single day and try to give you the best idea of how that cop brain is working. I don't do any fancy edits or anything like that. I just walk into these blindly so that you can see how I'm thinking with my law enforcement experience. But without fail, when I was a cop, whether I'm on social media, there's always one question that stands out, and that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? What are they doing? Why are they chasing a woman? Can they even do that? Are they allowed to chase women if it's a male cop? So I'm here to answer that question, whatever else comes up in today's video, which comes from Midwest Safety. And it is titled simply, Dressed for a Fight. Never seen it? Here we go.
Can y'all please just clear?
We're waiting for our Uber, bro.
Okay, so move the cars out the street. That's what I'm
I
asking.
don't have no car. I'm waiting for
It's a
Uber.
car right here.
All right,
All right, but listen, you don't need to give us no attitude. I can put you in handcuffs
I'm
for the
just telling
joint.
you, I'm
I
waiting
can
for
put you
my
in
Uber
handcuffs for the
until you
joint.
give a call.
All right? Stop talking.
Damn, bro. You shut up. Stop touching.
Yeah. Okay, so the hooting and hollering, depending on where they are, is disorderly conduct or disturbing the peace. And then it said in the subtitles that he pushed the female, so that's not okay. That's domestic abuse.
I didn't even do nothing.
What is going on?
I didn't even do nothing. I didn't do nothing. What are you doing? All I did was scream. I didn't even do nothing. Wait, bro, hold on.
Hey, back up! Yo, back up!
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. Wait, I didn't do nothing. I didn't. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
I don't think he did anything.
Back the up!
Bro, I understand.
Back up!
Wait, hold on. Officer Simmons, you don't have to do this, gang. I didn't do nothing. I'm having an argument with my girlfriend, bro. I didn't do nothing.
I'm pretty sure he pushed
I
her.
know, I'm a helper.
Oh my God.
I don't know what's going on here.
Is she dead? Yo!
Is she
Officer Simmons,
dead?
Can you listen to me?
I'm listening to you.
I'm listening to you, but look.
So turn around.
Wait, am I being detained?
Yes, you
For
are.
what?
Let me help her. Let me help her.
Wait. Let me talk to you. I know, wait, hold on.
Turn around on your stomach.
Okay, hold on. 1 second. 1 second, bro. Let me talk to you.
If he's not gonna listen, just pull him to his
I
stomach.
understand. Can I talk to you?
If you just pull that arm, eventually their shoulder's gonna meet the concrete.
Please don't
Put your arm around your back.
Please, it's right here.
Put your hand, other hand.
Wait, hold on.
Put your other hand behind your back.
I understand, bro. Can you please chill? Can you let her go, my girlfriend? Please?
I don't know what's going on here.
I'm not resisting. I'm trying to help my girlfriend.
Back up.
Simmons, you can rush me, bro, but let me help her, please, bro. Let me help her.
I'm helping her.
I'm begging you.
I'm helping her. Listen, he's in handcuffs for hitting her.
You can let me go.
Okay, so that's what I thought.
I swear, bro. I can't breathe, bro, please. I'm not resisting, bro. You can let me go. I'm not resisting, bro, please.
I got you.
I need to
Okay, I got you.
Alcohol, ladies and gentlemen. Alcohol, the star of the show, every time.
my girlfriend, bro. Let me help my girlfriend, bro. Yo, my girl. Wait, can you?
Why'd you hit her if you're so
Girl, she's
concerned?
on the floor, bro. Please, bro. Let me just help my girl. Look at her, please.
You should take me to jail because I was instigating, I promise. And I'm already on charges because of domestic for him. I'm always the problem, I swear, I promise. No, you should just take me.
That's not how this works.
No, I swear, I'm already on charges because of the same.
So there's laws in lots of states that don't allow the victim of domestic abuse to choose whether or not to press charges, and that's simply because of the manipulative nature of domestic abuse. It's up to the police to decide who to take and why.
Situation.
Look at him on the floor. No, let me see him. Let me see him. Let me see him.
This guy is acting like a fool.
I'm getting a lawsuit. I'm getting a lawsuit. You know I got bread, right? You know I got bread. You know I got bread.
Bro, I punched the shit out of him. Being a you should know for a fact if a girl hit you.
Sit down, sit down.
No!
Get in there before we force you in there.
I'm sorry.
Jesus. Watch your feet. Watch your feet.
Taking them both of them.
You saw it, right?
Yeah. That's why I ran over there.
He didn't do nothing. Y'all tackled him for no reason, and it's on camera, and y'all gonna get sued. Oh God, and I got a good lawyer, so y'all better be ready to pay that paycheck. Y'all talking about tackling a little ass girl with two grown ass men. Let's really talk about it.
That don't make no sense, bro. Like you act like you ain't never been through that.
The reason they're at the hospital is because force was used or they are complaining of some sort of pain. So before the jail can accept them, most times they require medical clearance from the hospital. And let me tell you, that is one of the worst parts of being a cop, is when someone you've arrested is now up at the hospital claiming all these damages to their body. And there's some doctors who will literally jump through all the hoops for these people. They'll order CT scans, MRIs, the whole shebang. And you're up there sometimes over 6 hours. Meanwhile, they're hooting and hollering the entire time.
Gang, and then the only thing I wanted to do is make sure my girl was good. You won't even let me do that. You weird, gang.
She's fine.
You weird, bro. Bro, can you tie this, bro? I'm not asking you as a like I'm asking you to tie because it's getting stuck in the chair, bro. I'm not giving you that, bro.
You still going to jail, doesn't
I know I am,
Okay,
so you're gonna find out when I get there. Now let me talk to you, bro, cause you're the reason, bro. Why? Officer Simmons, I'm talking to you, bro. Please, why? Like I understand you just
You gonna tell me your name?
no, bro.
Okay, then I'm not talking to you.
Bro, but you did this on purpose, bro. Why? Bro, I didn't even do anything. Did you see me hit my girlfriend? Yes or no?
You gonna tell me your name?
Did you see me hit my girlfriend?
I don't have nothing to say to you.
If I tell you your name, you're gonna answer my
I don't have
question?
nothing to say to you.
But you weren't listening.
No, I was listening. I was trying to check on my girlfriend, just like you would go check on your wife if she was in the street. I just don't like him.
I'm gonna talk to you, all right? Because you gotta
I don't like him. We could talk right now.
The good cop, bad cop. It always works. Usually.
So come give me a second.
No,
I'm gonna stay here.
bro, I just want to know why.
He's gonna keep bugging you.
Okay.
No, I'm not. I just want to know why, man. Domestic what? There was no hit. I didn't hit my.
It's on camera.
It's on
Didn't
camera.
hit my bitch.
No, come here. No, I'm not even over the weird thing. I just want to know why.
Agreement with my boyfriend, and I had shoved him. As soon as he just tried to like give me a little push to get me to get away from him, because when he knows when liquor gets in my system, I get aggressive. So I shoved him, and him
So why drink?
just trying to push me back. They seen him just do this, and then they said he was trying to put his hands on me and beat the out of me. So two men attacked my 9, like he's like 5'9" boyfriend, attacked him. So when I seen them do that, I was like, what the f going on? I'm looking at the camera when I say this, and I'm saying this. I did touch you, and I was like, what is going on? So then I had them drag me, which is this on here, and this right here, and this right here. But they're saying my boyfriend beat the f out of me. Where is the beat up at? Like, then if
I
my
don't think
boyfriend
they ever
beat
said
my
that.
ass. I was arguing with him because I didn't like how he was acting. And we had a disagreement. He wanted to wait for his friend, and I had my friend, and me and my friend are ready to go. That was the disagreement. I got a little aggravated, and I pushed him, and I said, come on, I'm ready to go. And then that's how everything got pushed way too far than it was supposed to go. But y'all sitting here letting 10 people run outside of an Airbnb while y'all all hovered around a little ass girl and a short ass man.
Yeah, because you guys were the problem. So that's how that works.
Y'all worried about what we got going on, but y'all got mad people running outside of an Airbnb that you got called for a noise complaint.
Okay, so that's the reason for call.
Appreciate it.
Abriana was charged with domestic violence, battery on an officer, and obstructing without violence. Niall was charged with domestic battery. They are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Just starting the shift?
Oh, 2 videos in one.
Nice, nice.
See you over there.
I know I'm stealthy. I'm like a
See you
ninja.
over there. Going to work. We both work. He works at Lake CI. I work at.
Oh, okay. I'll go let him know. Hey there.
We both can. I'm gonna wait until she's finished. What she was doing.
Okay. She didn't stop for a stop sign. What's the attitude for?
There's no attitude. I say, okay, all right. What's your attitude for?
I don't have an attitude, man.
Okay, well, I don't have an attitude.
A lot of people have had bad experiences with cops, so they enter situations when they see cops with a little bit edginess, and that's okay. They're entitled to that. As a cop, you should do your best to not let it bother you. Just let it slide off your back.
Why don't you go ahead and you need to pull forward, okay? Since we want to have attitudes, you're not going to stand here while we conduct our traffic stop,
I can stay
okay?
here.
Egos get in the way of a lot of things for a lot of people, even outside of these situations. Don't let your ego control the situation. Do your best to remain emotionally intelligent and just let it slide off your
Pull over
back.
to the side of the road.
So,
right?
no, you're in our immediate vicinity. You're going to pull forward.
I'm not. I'm feet away from you.
You're giving an lawful order right now. So if you don't pull forward, you're going to go to jail.
See how this was
right now.
escalated?
Pull forward.
Where's your supervisor? You
I am the
speaking at me?
supervisor. Pull forward.
Well, I can speak to your other
Turn your vehicle
supervisor.
off and give me your driver's license
I'm
now.
not giving you nothing.
Pull your-
I ain't did nothing. I pulled over to make sure.
This had no reason to be escalated.
Open your door. Open the door.
Here's my prediction. He's going to end up breaking the window, and this guy's going to go to jail.
Open the door.
Window is down. You just not gonna
Open the door. Step out of the
Can you
vehicle.
move away from
You're
my
being given a
vehicle?
lawful
I did
order.
nothing.
Open the door right now.
Can you step away from my vehicle? Or
No.
you call your supervisor.
Sir?
Do not put your hands, sir. Wow. Wow. Do not. Get out of the car. Why are you attacking me? I got get out of the car. Bro, do not touch me. I did not do nothing. Do not touch
There's no reason for this at all.
me.
Put your
Can
hand.
you lift your hand up?
Nervous, get over here. Stop right now.
I did not do
Get out of the car.
Stop.
Get out of
Can
the
you
car.
get your hand up?
Get out of the car now.
Can you get your
Get
hand
out of the car. Get out of the car.
I'm done. I'm stop. Stop. Can you release me and talk together? I'm recording you.
Open it.
Release me.
Open the
That's
door.
my wonderful mother recording. You see this motherfucker shit?
Open the door. Open it now.
Can you give me a second? Oh my God.
What the hell are the cops doing?
Open the door now, or you're gonna get it again. Get out now.
This motherfucker.
Turn around. Get on the ground now.
This motherfucker.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now. Lay down.
Oh my God.
Lay down.
So they teach you in taser training to try to avoid tasing people on the front because it can very much cause a heart attack. It's very painful. Yes, I have been tased.
Second, and it's not too big.
But you know what? Pepper spray hurts way more.
And
lasts way longer.
I'm gonna sue the out of you guys. Oh my God. I'm gonna sue the out of you guys. This is crazy. Bro, I'm gonna have your badge, bro.
You're given a lawful order and you defied it.
I'm gonna
So
have your badge.
that's fine, man.
Alright,
Sit up.
you guys see this man illegally put his hand in my car for no reason. Where's the supervisor? Wow. Honey, I got you. See this, right? Bro, get your hand off the stop. Stop. Can you help me? Tell him get his.
We're not doing this. Check his pockets. Lean forward.
You notice I'm not resisting you, right? And you keep
Keep pushing back.
I'm not pushing backwards. I ain't said moving. You searching me. Do you feel me moving? Well, that's what he had to do because I ain't moving.
He's good on this.
I'm going to work. Why would I have weapons on me?
Take him.
Where am I going? I want to stand, please. I want to stand.
Sit down.
Sir, can I stand, please? As a courtesy, can I stand, please? I don't want to sit up right now. I ask you as a courtesy, can I stand, please?
But I'm telling you, have a seat, sir. All right? Have a seat. All right?
I need your badge number and name, please.
It'll be on your arrest paperwork. His wife is a lot nicer than him.
I was calm. I
Yeah, but you're kind of an asshole.
sit in my car with this man.
Your wife. It's okay. not okay, but it's okay. We're gonna get through this.
This suspect was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting with violence, assault on law enforcement officers, resisting without violence, and failure to obey a law enforcement officer. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Okay, I have many thoughts on that last one, but first let's go through this disaster. I don't know. I guess they were called for a noise complaint, so they get there. There's obviously some sort of party or aftermath of a party going on. The cop sees this fella push the female. I'm assuming they saw mutual domestic abuse happen. According to the female, that is exactly what happened. It was a mutual thing. And the cop decided to take both of them to jail for that. I don't know how she passed out. I have no idea. I don't have any idea, but I would imagine if she hit the ground and passed out that way, she'd be talking about that, and so would he. So I don't think that's what happened. I think I don't even know. Alcohol is the problem in that situation. For that situation, I give the police B. I just don't know. I don't know too many other details to deviate from a B, so I'm just gonna go with a B. As far as this this other situation. Traffic stop on this guy's wife, pretty routine. This guy pulls up because he's on his way to work, just decides to check in on his wife, presumably. And then the cop goes and tells him he needs to move forward. I guess I can understand that for safety reasons. I've also done that. But if at the point when he's like, yeah, I'm just gonna wait here, I really wouldn't have raised it any further. I wouldn't have escalated it any further. The guy did have an attitude, but literally that doesn't matter. Who cares? Everyone usually has a bad attitude at some point. The cop took it very personally and let his ego get in the way, and because of that, the cop decided to escalate it to the point of breaking the window, like I called, and tasing him. And quite honestly, the situation just did not call for that. I think the cop is a horrible person at de-escalating situations verbally. I wouldn't be surprised if this was not the first time this has happened. I don't agree with that cop at all, and for that reason I give him an F. I give him a failing grade. I think he did a terrible job at his job. The cops are the ones who have the duty of de-escalating. The cops are the ones who should be going through de-escalation training or read a damn book called Verbal Judo. That's what I did. We didn't get a lot of de-escalation training. So what did I do? Recognize the importance of de-escalating situations verbally, because at the time I wasn't a very big officer, and if I could not get in a fight, that'd be great. If I can just verbally de-escalate, that's the best option for anyone, because it's the easiest and the most friendly. I'm probably going to get some shit for that, but quite honestly, I believe that. Verbal de-escalation is key for officers, and they should have that training at least once every 6 months. But right now, not a lot of people get it at all. So F. I do these videos every single day. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, share. Do you think the cop in the last clip took it too far? The answer is yes. He escalated it. I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Holy smokes, we're almost at 250. We were just at 200. So thank you all for being here. I love you all, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.